Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today's ketchup day. Not ketchup and mustard. No, ketchup day, meaning I'm going to show you some items that we are just now putting on our website. What does that mean? That means like maybe they were in a kit at one time, or they're embellishments that we had left over, or something I designed for Sizzix a long time ago that's never been on our website, something like that. Now, 2 card bases, A1 in size, and a ribbon pack. Are you ready? Let's jump in. This first ribbon pack is called Summer Blues, and it is all about the blues. Look at this. We have a two seam bindings in different widths. We have a satin pretty one. We have one with the sparkles on the edges, and we have a fun dot. Perfect. Now, once these are gone, they're gone forever, my friends, so make sure you get them. The next item I'm going to share with you was in a kit at one time. So if you're in my card kit club, I want you to check your stash before you grab this one, okay? It is the A1 mini scallop card die. You are getting this awesome drop-in die that's optional, those awesome flowers. You're getting extra flowers over there, and you're getting the word love. $27.99 value. If you're in my card kit, guess what? You already have this. Okay, here's another one. Another A1 card base. This is our gatefold. This one is really fun. It also was in a club set, a kit club set at one time. You were getting lots of fun flowers and special delivery. So if you missed out on these in the card kit club, now is your chance to get them, okay? Make sure you check that out on the website. Now, club members, of course, you're getting your club discount on these items. If you are not in the club, you're missing out. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video. It's going to explain all the awesome benefits that you get. It's going to explain all of the discounts you get, the club points, the anniversary gifts. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.